how to sew a wall pocket. In an previous video about different types of pocket, I explained more about the most commonly used one in sewing. So if you haven't watched it yet, go check it out. I almost forgot my intro. Hello guys, don't forget to follow me on social media, I promise. I'm more fun there. Now, let's get started. In this video, you're going to learn how to sew a wall pocket step by step. In this case, I'll be adding it to a jacket, but you can also use the technique for pants, skirt, or other garment. Also, keep in mind that I will making this wall pocket with a zipper. If you don't want to add a zipper, the process is actually a bit simpler. But I didn't one because this is for a jacket, so it may make it more secure and durable. So let's go to the sewing machine.
Here we have the zipper and the wall piece. We're going to place everything right sides together. Remember that the zipper tip should be facing the right side of the wall. So everything right sides together. First, goes the jacket, then the wall piece, and on the top the zipper. I'm sure you can see how the first side look. Now that we have the first well done, we're going to sew the other side of the zipper. Right side of the zipper with the right side of the jacket, and we sew a strip stitch. In this case, I am adding a zipper to his wall pocket because I personally love how it look on jacket and it's more secure. Alright, now you can see I already have the zipper attached to jacket. Now I am going to make some notes. I make one here and another one going toward the seam but without cutting into the seam. It's like a small cup right before the stitch it. This held the rectangle for nicely when we tore everything. Now, I organized the back part. And you can see how the wall pocket rectangle start forming. Now, what I am going to do is sew a U-shaped stitch on the top part. This helps secure the zipper so it doesn't move. I back stitch at the top and also at the bottom. If you want to sew the full U-shape, you can do that. Or if you prefer, you can reinforce the top and bottom. I usually use reinforced those areas with strong back stitching. Now I move the zipper into a final position and sew the last stitch, and that's it. Now we have the main part done, the wall pocket with zipper. Look how it look on the back, on the front. Now I trim the excess so we don't have extra ball, and now the zipper is fully in place. Now I'm going to add the pocket back the lining because we already have the pocket opening, but we'll still need the inside part where things go. Look at this. I really love a deep zipper to wall pocket for extra security. Sometimes the zipper can get a little stupid, but that's your personal prefer. Now, we're going to cut the pocket back piece. I usually do this by eye. I place my phones are referring to make sure the pocket is deep enough. In my phone feed, it's perfect, so I cut the width based on that. Now we place right side together and saw the first side already. The first side is done. Now we go with the second side, but in opposite direction, kind of reserve. And honestly, when I first started making this pocket, I got love a lot. I have to stop watch the video and try again, but with practice is become second nature. So if it doesn't come out right the first time, that's completely normal. Now I finish attacking the pocket band. I want to show you this because many tutorials only show the wall but not how to finish the inside pocket. Now we close the pocket where here you can use overlock or circle to finish the edge so it doesn't fry, but if you want to leave it like this, that's fine too. And that is how your finished wall pocket with zipper should look. See, I open it and now it's fully functionality. In this video, help you share it with a friends who learning how to sew, and if you want my common partner, I'll send you all the info. Because in Kerava, sewing is not a hobby, it's income.
So, what do you think? Let me know in the comments if you ever made a wall pocket before or if you're going to try it after this video. Thank you so much for watching, for support me and for being here with me. And don't forget to check on my shop where you can find sewing pattern to help you grow your skill and your project. Because in Kerava, sewing is no hobby, it's a calm. Okay? See you in the next video. Bye bye.